Vivekananda returned triumphant from the West, his ship docking in Colombo on the 15th of January 1897. Thousands of ecstatic people greeted him by throwing flowers along his path. In Madras, arches were created all over the city, and the youth of the city removed the horses from his carriage, pulling it themselves. Cheers and rapt attention followed him everywhere he went. Finally, he reached his hometown, Calcutta. Crowds thronged the streets to catch a glimpse of the Swami. Grand receptions honored him, evoking his amazement at their enthusiasm. With folded hands, he humbly accepted their love and respect. Swamiji proclaimed that every soul was potentially divine. He even advocated compassion for serving humanity. His message was, service to mankind is worship to God. During a dire Calcutta plague, reluctance gripped people to attend to patients. Swamiji rallied his brother monks and disciples, assigning them the task of caring for the ailing. Door to door, they dispensed medicines and food and nursed the patients with love and care. This dedicated service, particularly in crisis, became the Ramakrishna mission's core objective. Hospitals were established nationwide to alleviate human suffering, a testament to their commitment.